Today, I'll show you how to remove a Gmail account from the Gmail app. If you have more than one email signed in on your phone and you want to remove one of them from the Gmail app, the process is very simple. This is useful if you no longer use that account signed in by mistake or want to keep your Gmail app more organized and easier to manage. To begin, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. When you tap it, a small menu will appear showing all the Google accounts currently connected to the Gmail app on that device. From that menu, choose Manage Accounts on this device. After that, your phone will open the settings page where all connected accounts are listed. Find the Gmail or Google account you want to remove, then tap on it to open more options. Now look for the option that says Remove Account. Tap it once, and your device may ask you to confirm the action. If that happens, tap Remove Account again to continue. After that, the selected account will be removed from the Gmail app on that device. It's important to remember that this does not delete the Gmail account permanently. It only removes that account from the app on your current phone or tablet. Your emails, files, and account data will still exist, and you can sign in again at any time. Also, if that Google account is linked to other apps on your device, like YouTube, Google Drive, Google Photos, or the Play Store, removing it may also sign you out of those services. So before removing the account, make sure you no longer need it connected on that device. If you're using more than one Gmail account, double check that you are removing the correct one. This helps avoid accidentally signing out of your main email account. And that's it. That's how to remove a Gmail account from the Gmail app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.